This is going to be part of my first sticker haul on my channel. But I have also my first ScribblePrintsCo order. Like my very first. And I'm so excited. So let's just see what this goodie has. Oh, there's more in there. I missed some. Oh, freebies. This is a gorgeous journaling card. Like, can you guys see this foil? Like, look at that. I'm in love with that. That's cute. Maybe I'll find a place for this in my planner. Okay. So, I did get, pull it out of there, a foil Misfit sticker grab bag, and then the Twinkly Shimmering Lagoon foil. So I ordered these, and then I guess she just kind of threw these in there, which super grateful, because who doesn't love some freebies? And I love Andrea's videos on Facebook here, or Facebook, oh my god guys, on YouTube here, which kills me. And look at these little freebies. They got fogies for me. Yeah, just little, these are adorable. First of all, let me go back here. These are like silver Scribble. Can I speak? Silver foiled skulls. It's not gonna focus. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It hates me. These are cute. Those are perfect for Halloween. And then I got these like blush pink boxes. I'm in love with these. These are adorable. They're almost like purplish pink. Like I don't know, but they're kind of gorgeous. Let's start with this one. This is the Shimmering Lagoon foil kit that I got, or Wiggle, I guess she calls them. I have been eyeing this one up for a while. Oh yeah, I'm here for this. I'm so here for this, guys. Look at these corners. They're so gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can even see. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that shimmer. I love it. These are so cute. The detailing is really pretty on these too. Oh my god, guys. And then for these two, like, these are gorgeous too. Like the icons. I don't normally use icons in my planner, but I might use them just because they're so freaking gorgeous. I'm so here for the shimmer. And then these are headers. They're super cute. Some full box overlays. And then some more icons and some chuck or freaking bow things. Oh, this bow is adorable. I like that bow a lot. You guys see that bow? It's little pieces. And then the washi strip overlays. I'm here for this foil, guys. I'm so here for it. Okay. And then in my Misfit bag, I got this. And I just want to mention, like, this kit, for this to be a mystery for me and not know what I was getting, I'm in love with this, because I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I am a huge fan of Patron. Tequila is my best friend. And this Patron bottle is freaking adorable. I love it. And I love tacos, so I'm here for this kit. Like, I'm here for this. Like, and the colors are so vibrant. Like, I'm in love with this kit. Like, these tacos. Ugh, margarita. Like, oh, I didn't even see the baby Patrons on this deco sheet. They're so cute. I'm gonna have to find glitter headers to go with this, because I'm so using this. Like, this might be my birthday kit, which is in December. I know it doesn't really match, but I love Patron that much. Like, I think I'm gonna do that. And then I got these foil icons and date numbers to go with it. And then the washi strips that go with it, overlays. Those are adorable too. And then for the foils that got thrown in, let's see what we got going here. I think I have another Blue Lagoon thing. Unless this is a different color. Oh, nope, they're the same. That's great. So I have another one of these, which is great because I'm here for that Blue Lagoon. And then there's some bows. Those are cute. Ooh, some like rainbow foiled stars. Ooh, some pink glitter foods. These are really cute. I like these a lot. Oh my god, there's a taco one here too. There's a taco. Then there's like some rose gold icons. Feeling that. Some hot pink ones. Ooh, I'm so here for these. Ooh, what is this? Oh, these are like headers and full boxes. I like those too. Ooh, some bow check. They're not bow checkers, they're bow headers. What the heck? I can't even talk, y'all. These are cute, simple bow boxes. Oh, and then I have some dates. Like, not dates, they're months. These are really pretty. I like the script this is. This is nice. And I love silver foil. Like, it's my favorite. But now I finally have a bunch of foils to like start my foil kit because I truthfully didn't have any until now. And now I'm hooked. Hooked. I was like, I used to be like, what's the big deal? I don't understand. It's just foil. Oh, I understand it now, guys. I really do. And then another part of this haul is some stickers I got from CookieStickerCo. First of all, I love this little girl with this packages. Like, that's just adorable. This order also had some digital pieces to it, which I will be also posting. I just have to print them out and whatnot. This little card, that's super cute. I got these. I got the Dancing with Boo for me and my boyfriend, because hello, these are freaking adorable. Like, just her dancing with him is beautiful. Like, I love that. And then I got my Happy Place, which is like her Disney themed stickers sheet, because I'm planning a Disney trip and I'm here for these. The castle is adorable, and I love that the castle at the bottom has a giant like Mickey head through it. And then that's mainly what I got from there. And that's all for now, but there will be more to this haul because I, of course, after I got my first ScribblePrintsCo order, placed another one, so it'll be on its way. But thanks for coming, guys, and I'll see you next time.